Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And this question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice bounce. I don't think anybody's going to argue against that when you consider at one point the price was way down there, and then the price ultimately closed all the way up there. Like I said, I think everybody would agree, yeah, good, solid bounce. But that does lead into the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that key level, in my opinion at least, right down here at 0.075. Why is 0.075 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, bounces that are actually bounces, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? The price is going to make progress forward. A price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.075. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it was, essentially at the low points during the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of this previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress forward, and I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 0.075. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward here. All about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see that it's already acted as resistance several times right there. So that'll be the next key battleground to keep an eye on going forward. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority right now is just simply building some higher bases, building higher lows, because as long as you have that going on, then as time unfolds, the chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.